Hey fam, today we are going to go over my March budget, and so let's go ahead and just get started and jump right in. This is my little notebook that I bought a couple of years ago, and I started using it to do my budget, my monthly budget, and then I kind of stopped using it, so I'm going to go back to using it again. This is my little bookmark that T from T is a Saver gave me. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna budget $2,500 for the month of March. Don't mind my chicken scratch. It is what it is. Okay, so I hope you're all doing well, and let's go ahead and start with abundance, which is equivalent to emergency fund, and I'm gonna put $100. For annual bills, I'm going to put $200. For birthday, I'm going to put $100. For car, I'm going to put $100. I don't know why I put an extra dash there. Anyway, for Christmas, I'm gonna put $100. For clothes, I'm gonna put $50. For Costco, I'm gonna put $50. For health, I'm gonna put $200. For household, I'm gonna put $100. For my baby Jack, I'm gonna put $200. For my kiddos, I'm gonna put $200. For my mommy and dad, I'm gonna put $100. For my Roth, I'm gonna go ahead and put $200. For taxes, I'm gonna put $100. I probably should amp that up next month. And for vacay, I'm gonna put $100. YouTube, I'm gonna put $100. And then for my cash wallet, which includes date night fund, gas, and my personal, I'm gonna put $500. So that's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5. So that's 2,500. Perfect. All right, so that is my budget for the month of March, $2,500. And that's it for that. And I wanted to go over some Happy Mail that I received. And I don't want to wait too long to show this because I always do that. But this is from T, and from T is a Saver. This is part of her coffee shop, whatever you want to call it. And so she sent this to her members, I believe. This is a sticker, says I will not be shaken, based on Psalm 16:9. This one says I am worthy. Look how pretty that purple is. And then a pretty butterfly. And then it says, I hope you enjoy saving with these Lucky Charms, but just know that you are blessed, not lucky. So then these are the little Lucky Charms that she's talking about. So we got the 4-leaf clover to scratch off. And we got the ladybug, it's another little scratch off. And then you have these, the Chinese New Year, these red envelopes. And then it says, blessed, not lucky. And then there's little, I don't know, those are little praying hands, I believe. I can't see. But anyway, so yeah, so thank you, T. I appreciate the beautiful Happy Mail. Thank you so much for sending this out to me. I appreciate it, and I will definitely get that into the rotation somehow, some way. So staying on the tea is a saver, I'm going to go ahead and work on some challenges that are from tea, and let me see how much money I have to work with today. Let's see here. So this is a whole budget with me and cash, Happy Meal and savings challenge, cash stuffing. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me go ahead and bring over the challenge. So this is the 2 challenges that I received, and this is a member's dash and then a member's shut the box. So I have a 6-sided die here. We'll do this one first, and we will try to shut the box on all these 3. And these are for the different members in her coffee shop or coffee shop. I'm sure there's more now, but these are 4 of us, representing 4 of us. Oh, I couldn't get that out. Okay, so here we go. So we got 5, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so we need to save $6, and let's go again. 6, so we'll do 5 and 1, 4, 3, 3. So we need to save $2. Alright, 3, 5, 1. Oh, that's 3. Okay, so 6, 10, 12. $12. Okay, let's go again. 6, so we'll do 5 and 1. And then there's 4. And there's 2. We just need a 3. Nope, 3. So that's 12, 18, 23. Let's see, 23 with this one. So we got 10, 20, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, $23 with this one. Very good. Oops. Of course, I didn't bring any paper clips. Alright, and then this one, we just roll the die and then we clear them off, I guess, and we save that amount. I think that's how you play this one. So that's 6. Oh wait. Oh, this you need a 4-sided die. Let me see if I have one. I don't know if I have one. Let me check. Hold up. Okay, I found a 4-sided die. So let's go ahead and start. So number 4. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 4. Ooh, number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 2. Number 3. Number 2 needs one more. Number 4. Number 2. This one won. So what do? I save 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Do I save $12? I'll put number 1 right here. I guess I saved 12. I don't know how to play this, guys. Sorry. Let me see who goes next. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 1. No, 2 out. 2 out. Oh, I guess I should get a 3-sided die, huh? Okay, it'll work. Number one. Ooh, number one's getting back in the game. Ooh, number three. That's me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18. I don't even know if I have that much money. Let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Oh wow. Okay, I have $4 left. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So this is number 2. I came in second place. Next time we play, excuse me, we'll see who came in third and who came in fourth. And we only need a few more, so cool. So there we go. Today was Tuesday. She got all of those today. So anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. We'll use this for some more challenges later on. And thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end, please leave a little piggy. Thanks for watching. Bye.